What's going on, y'all? In this one, I'm going to be showing y'all how to add some VSTs. So, you come to add more plugins. Real simple, manage plugins. If you have a folder that what you want to add, you just come to this plus sign, add the folder. If you got all your folders here, then it's cool. You just hit find plugins. And yeah, that's basically it. So, you see all your plugins here. And it'll show up in orange if it's new. If it's not, it'll be white. You click the star here next to it. Nothing too serious. That's cool. And then it'll show up right here. Right here. Serum. Serum. Let's say I just added it. It'll show up immediately. It won't even take any time. So, serum for you. Real clean, real nice VST to have. So I hope y'all enjoyed that. Join me in the next one where we'll be adding some drum kits.